not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates.
Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from yesterday's and today's Hindu newspaper, along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of previous day's video in today's description below. If anybody needs it, do download it. Now let's start. Who is appointed as the new chief of the Central Bureau of Investigation? Nageshwar Rao, Rakesh Asthana, Rishi Kumar Shukla, Alok Verma. Answer is C. Rishi Kumar Shukla is appointed as the new chief of the Central Bureau of Investigation. He is a former Director General of Police of Madhya Pradesh. Rishi Kumar Shukla is a 1983 batch IPS officer appointed as the Director of the CBI. The CBI is the premier investigating agency of India, headquartered at New Delhi. The main motto of CBI is industry, impartiality and integrity, and this institution is founded in the year 1963. Remember all these points and expect a question from CBI, as every day there's a news regarding this institution. Which is the first state to set up price monitoring research unit to track violation of prices of essential drugs? Kerala, Karnataka, Goa or Telangana? The answer is A. Kerala. Kerala became the first state to set up price monitoring research unit to track violation of prices of essential drugs and medical devices under Drugs Price Control Order. The main reason for setting up this PMRU is the pharma companies have been accused of overcharging prices of drugs in the scheduled category fixed by the DPCO. And now this move comes more than 5 years after the National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority proposed such a system for the states and the union territories. Indian Air Force procured Mirage 2000 fighters from which country? Israel, Japan, Germany or France? Answer is D. France. Indian Air Force procured almost 51 Mirage 2000 fighters from the country France almost 3 decades ago. That is, the fighters started entering service in 1985. Now recently 2 Indian Air Force pilots were killed in Mirage 2000 crash at Hindustan Aeronautical Limited Airport. The French origin Mirage 2000 jet had undergone a comprehensive upgrade at Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, and the customer acceptance test was underway when this accident occurred. What is the theme for 2019 World Cancer Day? I am and I will, we can, I can, not beyond us, or debunk the myths? The answer is A. I am and I will is the theme for the 2019 World Cancer Day. Now this is the theme for not only 2019 but for 2020 and 2021 also. So remember, for all these 3 years there will be no change in the theme for World Cancer Day. World Cancer Day is marked every year on February 4th to raise awareness and educate people on how to fight cancer through screening and early detection. What is the radioisotope used in the treatment of cancer? Cobalt-60, Colbalamine-60, Iodine-131, Carbon-14. The answer is A. Cobalt-60 is the radioisotope used in the treatment of cancer. Now, this was the previously asked question in State Public Service Commission, so do remember. The study of cancer is known as oncology, and let's see the types of cancers. Leukemia is the blood cancer. Melanoma is the skin cancer. Glioma is the tumor in brain and central nervous system, and lymphoma affects the lymphocytes, the lymph vessels and the nodes. Now all these cancers can be prevented by not smoking, maintaining a healthy weight, not drinking too much alcohol, eating plenty of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, etc. And recently we all know actress Manisha Koirala battled against the ovarian cancer, and she also wrote a book named as Healed, How Cancer Gave Me a New Life. So remember this book also very important from exam point of view. Kasargodu Tragedy took place in which of the following state in India? Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, Gujarat, Maharashtra. The answer is B. Kerala. Kasargodu Tragedy took place in the state of Kerala. The Plantation Corporation of Kerala used aerial spray of endosulfan on its cashew plantations for almost 20 years without even once looking into its impacts. The result was the loss of biodiversity, and many people were dead because of this pesticide exposure, and several of them were handicapped by congenital deformities. Now, till today, the victims of endosulfan poisoning in Kasargodu district are protesting, and the Kerala government accepted their demands to bring more affected families within the ambit of state's compensation and rehabilitation program. Jails in which of the following states have the highest number of deaths row convicts as on December 31st, 2018? Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, or all of the above? The answer is D, all of the above. Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra jails have the highest number of deaths row convicts as on December 31st, 2018. In the year 2018, 162 death penalty verdicts were pronounced by the Indian courts, which is said to be the highest in the millennium. And these three states, UP, MP, and Maharashtra, have the highest number of death row convicts. The highest number of death sentences between 2015 and 2018 were the cases involving sexual violence and murder. The 6th Multi-national Naval Exercise AMAN 2019 will be hosted by which of the following country? India, Nepal, Sri Lanka, or Pakistan? The answer is D, Pakistan. The 6th Multinational Naval Exercise AMAN 2019 will be hosted by Pakistan in the month of February. Exercise AMAN is a biennial multinational maritime exercise being hosted by Pakistan Navy since 2007. Now, biennial is an event which occurs once in every 2 years. More than 40 countries will participate in the exercise with the resolve of unity for peace. Which state has stopped in terms of production of horticulture crops? Punjab, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, or West Bengal? The answer is C, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has stopped in terms of production of horticulture crops, whereas Punjab topped in the yield per hectare. The production of fruits, vegetables, and other horticulture crops reached a record of 314 million tons as per the government's first estimate for financial year 2019. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, which aims to enhance livelihood security, has completed 13 years on which day? 1st February 2019, 2nd of February, 3rd February, or 4th February? The answer is B, 2nd of February 2019. Manrega scheme has completed 13 years. Very important scheme. Expect a question from this area. Now, Manrega aims to enhance livelihood security in rural areas by providing at least 100 days of wage employment in a financial year to every household. Now, this scheme was set up on February 2nd, 2006 from Anantapur district in the state of Andhra Pradesh. And remember that then Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh was Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy. Now, recently in interim budget presented by Piyush Goyal, the Government of India has allocated 60,000 crore for this scheme for the financial year 2019 to 2020. Let's see the question for the day. Who is the Kolkata police chief for whom the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, sat on a dharna? Rajiv Kumar, Rakesh Kumar, Ramesh Banerjee, or Rohit Banerjee? Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. Who is the first chartered accountant to present a budget? The answer is C, Piyush Goyal, as rightly answered by many people in the comment section. Samba Siva Reddy, Rajesh Gowda, Nagavalli Sai Ram, Prabha Banwa, Sudan Preet, and Raju King. Thank you guys for following my videos regularly. Quote for the day: repetition is the key to the mastery. When you revise and repeat, you will be a master in it. Recent study says that if you want to form good habits such as going to gym and eating healthy, then you need to train your brain by repeating actions until they stick. Now you may apply this case to any situation. This is it for today. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.
Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.